Dry ribbons of bean pale and thin, soak in water, let the day begin. Pork sliced thin like letters sent, salted fish a single cent. No fry, no flame, no heavy hand, just steam and time and love's demand. 10 minutes in a covered dish, and suddenly the tables wish. Oh, steam rising soft and slow, carrying flavors only home can know. Tofu skin drinks the pork sweet grace, salted fish a memory in place. One bite and the kids reach across the rice. More please, no need to think twice. This isn't fancy, but it's true. The best meals are the ones you knew were waiting just for you. Grandma said, don't waste a shred. Even scraps can feed the dead. So I layer thin, I steam with care. Let ginger whisper fragrant prayer. No oil splatter, no smoke alarm, just quiet love disguised as charm. And when the lid lifts, golden bright, the whole house leans into the light. Oh, steam rising full and deep, holding all the love you couldn't speak. Tofu soft yet strong inside, like the hands that raised you with pride. They'll ask what's the secret, just a smile. Water time and stay a while. No recipe can teach this art, it's in the steam of the human heart. They sell gourmet in shiny packs, but real flavor lives in cracks in Grandpa's jar of salted fish and tofu soaked in simple dish. This meal's not mine, it's been passed down through steam and silence through this town. And every time I lift that lid, I'm not just cooking, I'm loved, I'm home, I'm fed. Oh, steam rising clear and true, carrying what money can't buy. Cool food drinks the past sweet song, and in that steam we all belong. Let the world rush loud and fast, I'll keep coping simple, built to last. The secret's not in what you spend, it's in the love you lend again and again. 煮泡在温水里2小时，就长出柔软的记忆。梅花肉薄入心里，鲜鱼热是外婆藏的蜜语。不用油，不用炸，只用一碟一锅蒸汽说话。金丝藏香，淀粉缩水10分钟，就把家蒸回了。蒸笼里飘出的家，是咸鱼的藏不住的牵挂。腐竹细胞柔像光，燃得像爱，人的像花，陷到骨子里，自高音至高音chân怀。葱花一撒满屋开花，连风都停下，说想留下。这人间烟火啊，不喧哗却滚烫，是你给我的最暖的饭香。孩子摆着饭说还要，爸爸夹起腐竹笑真妙。不用山珍，不用海味，一碟蒸菜就治好了累。蛋黄牛白有光泽，手白一段才是好货。这味道不是餐厅能买，是根长在心窝。蒸笼里飘出的家，是咸鱼的写的情话。腐竹裹着肉之光，一口下去，眼泪都藏了。佛花翠绿，肉片金黄，连孤单都靠在门边望。这平凡日子因你而亮，蒸笼里飘出故乡的光。他们说蒸菜太素不够排场，我却在咸鱼里尝到了故乡。可这滋味啊，比任何宴席都绵长，因为我真的不是菜，是回不去的时光。那些没说的想念都在蒸汽里慢慢回甘，那些没圆的梦都在这口咸里静静靠岸。蒸笼里飘出的家，是千万个周放的灯塔，付出细胞爱的光，一口下去，世界都停下。别信高级才叫美。